In this drone footage videos PLR review, I'm going to be showing you how you can get access to your own collection of done-for-you drone footage videos that you can use for your own products, give away as bonuses, or even use to sell and keep 100% of the profits. Make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out drone footage videos PLR, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says get access to 300 drone footage videos with PLR rights, meaning that you can actually use them and sell them. You can give them away. It says a huge collection of drone footage videos with PLR that you can turn into your own products and sell for huge profits, or give away as bonuses and explode your affiliate commission. So essentially this is like done for you stuff. You can use them in your own videos. You can sell them as a service. It's pretty much just a bunch of videos that you can use for B-roll footage on your videos. So sometimes like people, when they're talking, they'll like go and they'll show a footage of like other things happening in their videos. You can use it for that and not worry about getting in trouble and getting in trouble for like copyright infringement or anything like that. Now it says here you'd be amazed at how much these can sell for. Sunset Over the Mountains. This one sells for $224 for a single use. This one here, $199. And the reason why these drone quality videos sell for so much is because people have to actually put a lot of work into them. They have to fly their drones around. It takes a lot of work to actually create these types of videos. You can actually see examples of them right on the sales page here. Trevor actually started his $1 million business with a $5 PLR product. And they're going to actually give that access to how he actually did that inside this as a bonus right inside of the members area if you purchase this here today. So I'm going to go ahead and play a quick video of Trevor explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back, show you the backend area and the upgrades. Before I do that, I want to show you something really quick. Move your mouse away on the sales page and you should get a $2 off discount. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, I'll be back in a minute.
Did you know that videos can boost your conversions up to 80%? And did you know that online shoppers are more likely to buy a product after watching a video? A business is 53 times more likely to appear on the first page of Google when using video on the website landing page. Video is everywhere. People love videos, and if you're not using videos to promote your business right now, you're losing money. Did you know that YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world, and every day over 3.7 million videos are uploaded? You see, humans love videos. So it's time to start creating beautiful videos for your sales pages, your YouTube channels, your landing pages, for your clients, for promoting your business. There's many ways you can use videos, and this drone footage PLR will help you to create beautiful, captivating videos that people will stop to watch, click on your links, or buy your products. But creating beautiful videos for your own projects or client projects is not an easy task. Unless you're a professional videographer and editor with a very expensive state-of-the-art drone, how could you even dream of making videos like we have for you here? Well, you don't have to know a thing about it. You don't need any skills, you don't need any experience, and you don't need any expensive equipment. Immediately, you can enhance your videos instantly, making them beautiful, compelling, and captivating. A huge collection of 300 drone footage videos that you can use in your own projects or sell for huge profits and keep every penny you make. Say hello to Drone Footage Videos PLR Pack. Here's what you get with this amazing pack. 300 drone footage videos with PLR rights. Use them in your own projects, client projects, or just sell for profits. This pack comes with PLR rights, so the choice is yours. PLR means private label rights. That means that you can do whatever you want with it. Enhance your videos or client videos with stunning 4K drone footage that you won't see anywhere else. There's multiple videos from beaches, buildings, cities, nature, mountains, and much more, all professionally filmed by drones and can be used in many ways. Make beautiful videos in seconds. PLR rights included. Use the videos for projects, sell them, or do anything else you want and keep all the money. 30 days money back guarantee included, so there's no risk. This is a pack you won't see anywhere else, and that will allow you to create beautiful videos or start a new revenue stream by selling those done for you videos to others. You'd be amazed how much these can sell for. $48, $202, $199 for one video, and you have 300. So this is a 100% no-brainer. And if you pick it up today, I'll throw in my pimper training to teach you how to pimp PLR just like I did when I started out. I took one piece of PLR that cost me $5, pimped it and pulled in over 8,000. I've now gone on to do well over $2 million, which is why PLR has a very special place in my heart. So are you ready to make a change? Right now you can pick up all 300 of these stunning videos for the price of a pizza and keep every penny you make. Think about this. You can leave this page now empty-handed and go back to whatever your life is for you at the moment. Or you can invest just a few dollars in an asset that's proven to make money, not just one asset though, but 300 of them. As an example, if you sold each one just once for the price you paid for the whole lot here today, you'd make $3,885. Or perhaps you'd go for selling all 300 as a bundle and charge just $26. You'd double your money with the first sale. Do you see the power of this? It's not rocket science. Let's say you decided to break this collection up into 3 bundles of 100 videos each and charge just $47 per bundle. If you sold just one bundle per day, you'd be making $329 every day. If you sold the whole bundle for $97 and sold on average just 1.5 bundles per day, you'd be making $53,107.50 per year. There are endless opportunities to make a small fortune with this offer, and right now it's so cheap we're almost giving it away. Hey, it's Trevor here. Look, there's no denying, and you probably already know this, that if you want to make money, you're going to make more money if you're the product owner, if you're the creator, the vendor, because then everyone that buys, you get the money. Unfortunately, becoming a product creator is not always that easy, and for a lot of us, it's something that's just out of reach. Being able to create digital products that have got intrinsic value that will sell is not a simple task, which is why this package, the drone footage videos package with PLR, is so appealing, because instantly you can become a vendor. Instantly you've got your own product. After all this time, you've probably been thinking, oh, if I only had my own products that I could sell, but what could I possibly create? Well, we've got it for you here with a click of a button. Instant access to 300 high quality drone footage videos with PLR, which means you can do whatever you want with them, but you get to keep all the money. Now, my business pretty much started with one piece of PLR that cost me $5. I took that piece of PLR, I pimped it, and I launched it, and I pulled in over $8,000. I then created a course called Pimper that taught how I did that, and that course did over $35,000 and still sells to this day. So you can see that PLR is very powerful. What it means is that you can repackage, rename, rebrand, do what you like with this package, and you can bundle it up. So for example, you could sell every single video individually. You could sell them in bundles of 10. You could bundle them up into bundles of 100 each. And there's some examples in this video and on this page of how much money that can bring in. And I'm sure you can see that this is a no-brainer, because we're almost giving this away for free. For the amount of money that you have to pay just to get this, it's ridiculous. To get all 300 videos for such a low price is a complete and utter no-brainer. So if you're sick and tired of trying everything, nothing works, you can't make any money online, do yourself a favor. Grab this now. Grab this now, and you've instantly got a whole collection of your own products ready to sell and keep all the money. Go ahead, click on the buy button now, and we'll see you on the inside. All the best. Lock in this crazy discount now. Click on the buy button now for instant access.
Okay, so we are back. So this is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase, where you can access all your different videos and download them onto your computer. Now there are multiple upgrades. None of them seem to have any downsells, so the price or any discounts. They do have this thing that pops up if you try to go away from them, but it's not an extra discount. It's just kind of showing you, just telling you that you are not to leave and to actually purchase. So the first one here, it says 10 times your results with this triple upgrade. They're gonna give you 100 new drone footage videos with PLR rights, 400 photos taken by drones, 3,000 image quotes, and 1,500 stock videos that you can get for this one. The next one you're gonna see here is it says you can start your $2.4 million gold mine. You get instant access to my $1 million Pimping PLR membership. You can get for the full members area with videos, PDFs, etc. Use the same strategy that enabled him to spend $5 and over $8,000 with this PLR secrets here. The next one you're going to see, what if I did all the work for you? What if I give you a product to sell, complete with upgrades, and you kept all the money that you made? So this is resell rights to a product. And the last one here is going to be 4-week high ticket coaching replay, access to at the fraction of original price, full members area pack with Make Money Online training. So essentially, this is a coaching offer that normally sells for looks like $497. You get it for $37 here. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about drone footage, videos, PLR, and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, if you're not doing video marketing, if you're not planning on actually selling these or doing anything with them, then this might not be something that's good for you. If that's you, then you can just kind of forget this. What do I like about this? This is great extra videos that you could have at your fingertips. You don't have to worry about getting in trouble for copyright infringement. If you want some extra videos to use in your marketing or sell as a service, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my drone footage videos PLR review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video.